channel. So for today's video, let's just look at what I've got from Decathlon. And dati napaka fashionista ko. For now, sporty naman tayo. So to show you what I've got. So first item I've got, this is the, ayan, this is UPF 50 plus, excellent UV protection and 99% UV block. So it's protection for our skin para hindi po tayo masobrang mabilad sa init ng araw habang nag-hike or nagtitrekking. So, ganyan na siya guys. Pag i-fold natin, pwede natin siyang ilagay. Sarili niya yan, nasa likod yan ng ng hoodie niya. Yung hat. Ayan. So, very comfortable and easy to carry. So, yan po ang ating unang item. Ang ating lavender colored na UV protection jacket. Next is the gray. It's just the same but hindi siya pwedeng i-fold na kagaya nung isa. So this is gray colored and this is also a UPF 50 plus excellent UV protection. Ayan, 99% UV block. Iba yung design niya dito. Ayan po ang ating second item. Atin ng tinupi. Napaka-light lang po yan. Sobrang light. Next, we've got this black. This is sporty for running, also for hiking. Depends if you like to wear shorts. But I love the style because there's a shirt inside. So as you can see here. Ganyan po ang style niya sa back. Ayan. Parang nakapalda shirt ka. Cute, diba? So that's the third item. Ayan, sporty. Next is the inner. Ayan, o pwede rin pagka gusto mo naman na mag-sleeveless lang, okay na yan, diretso na yan. Pwede na yan. Diba? So ako gusto ko yung may cover talaga na jacket na air blocker or sun blocker, yun. Kaya sinusuotan ko talaga siya kasi sobrang init sa labas. So actually, this is good for spring season. Pero pag sobrang init, huwag kayo mag-itim. Kasi sobrang init din talaga. Ayan. So, ito yung style niya sa back. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Meron siyang ganito, oh. Kasi. So, that's our fourth item. And this is like t-shirt. Napakanipis. Ayan, pang inner. Pwede rin na diretso na ganyan. Pagka nainitan sobra, pwedeng tanggalin yung jacket at t-shirt na lang. So, ayan ang ating fifth item. Ayan yung kanyang tela. Super nipis niyan. At very light. And lastly, our water shoe. This is just very cheap. Napaka-very affordable. Try ko lang naman. First time ko magsuot ng water shoe. Ayan. So, try natin yung ganitong product. Pag hindi umubra, kukuha tayo ng mas maganda yung quality. So, but anyway, for now, kasi may lakad bukas. So, yan lang po muna for now. Try natin. And that is the back of the water shoe. So, yan lang po guys. Yan lang yung na-shop natin from the very famous Decathlon. So, thank you for watching.